NASA releases first photo-giant solar sail in space. NASA has succeeded in launching a prototype of solar sails, an innovative technology which might change spacecraft's propulsion. The Advanced Composite Solar Sail System deployed itself in outer space on August 29th, and now NASA released the first image of an open sail. What is solar sail technology, you ask? Solar sail technology utilizes sunlight for propulsion in spacecraft. Photons or particles of light provide pressure on a large flat sheet of material, analogous to a sailboat on Earth. This advanced technology might greatly reduce fuel needs and reach remarkable velocities. The released image is that of the solar sail, while the spacecraft is tumbling in space. The tumble is expected since attitude control was not performed on the spacecraft post-deployment. This will be done by operators once enough data is acquired by way of attitude control and stabilization of the spacecraft. Here are some details of the image. This image shows 4 wide-angle cameras in the center of the spacecraft. In one of the camera views, the reflective sail quadrants are supported by the composite booms. The back surface of one of the craft's solar panels is visible at the top of the photo. Reference markers on the booms indicate full extension of the sail. This mission has overcome some major challenges in the history of solar sail technology. It will also lead the way to the future propulsion of spacecraft with NASA's Advanced Composite Solar Sail System. The next procedure is to start maneuvering the spacecraft in orbit. Ironically, the unstable flight path of the spacecraft allows it to become visible at nighttime. You can try spotting the sail for yourself, adding an exciting element to this groundbreaking mission.